Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own upcycled DIY self-watering planter. So you'll just need a water bottle, it could be any size. I like the Life water bottles because they come usually nowadays preloaded with art, so you have like a little built-in little artistic flair for your plant. So take your bottle, we already cut ours in half. You'll just cut yours right in half with a pair of scissors. So you have those two. The lid, you'll need a grown-up, probably to drill a hole in there, just big enough to get a piece of string through. Or you can use any other puncturing tool to try to get that hole in there, but be super, super careful. Then you'll need a piece of string, preferably like acrylic or cotton, something absorbent, because the water is going to try to travel up from the bottom of the bottle. And then you'll just need a plant and some dirt and a little bit of water. Okay, so to get started, take your string and your bottle cap and just pull that through, and then put the string in the top of the bottle, hopefully. There we go. Screw that back on. Pull it up to like the lip of the cut. And then pour water in the bottom of this. You can put that in there now if you want. Makes it a little easier to plant your plant. And then holding the string, you want to try to make sure that that stays as close to the top as possible. You can pour your dirt in the bottle now. Hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. Or hopefully it comes out of the jar. There we go. And then tamp that down. Top that off a little bit. And make a little hole for your plant in the middle. And pop it in here. And tamp it down so it's nice and rooted. And then just put it in a sunny windowsill. You can cut that off too. You don't need it coming like straight up out of the dirt if there's extra string. But then what's gonna happen, you can see how this is wet hanging out in the water. The water's gonna travel up that string and into the dirt, and it'll just water itself. And all you gotta do is just remember to change this bottom part every couple days. It's easy peasy. Just pull this out. Hopefully, there we go, and change that, and you're good to go.